In today's video, we're going to discuss 8 proven strategies to help keep your UK business afloat, particularly during economic uncertainty. Let's dive in. I'm Marelize Spot. Our first strategy is to monitor your cash flow on a regular basis. Creating cash flow forecasts and updating them frequently will help you track your expected inflows and outflows, enabling you to identify potential issues and take action promptly. During economic uncertainty, it's vital to prioritize your payments. Make sure you're meeting essential obligations like staff salaries, rent, and utility bills. You might even want to negotiate payment terms with suppliers to better manage your cash flow. Our third tip is to review your pricing strategy. By offering discounts for early payments or adjusting your prices to improve your profit margins can potentially increase your cash flow. Overstocking can lead to cash flow problems. Regularly review your inventory levels and reduce them if necessary. You could also negotiate with suppliers to extend payment terms or offer consignment arrangements. If you're experiencing cash flow issues, don't hesitate to negotiate with your creditors. Extending payment terms can ease the pressure on your cash flow and give you more time to pay. Traditional financing options may be limited during economic uncertainty. Look into alternative finance options like invoice financing or asset-based lending to boost your cash flow. Keep up with your tax obligations to avoid penalties and interest charges. Be aware of when your tax payments are due and set aside funds in advance to cover them. Lastly, review your expenses on a regular basis to identify cost-cutting opportunities. Renegotiate contracts with suppliers, reduce staff hours, or delay non-essential projects to save money. Navigating economic uncertainty can be tough, but with these 8 strategies, you can better manage your cash flow and increase your chances of success. So here they are. Monitor your cash flow, prioritize payments, review pricing strategies, manage inventory, negotiate with creditors, explore alternative financing options, stay on top of your tax obligations, and review expenses to keep your business afloat during challenging times. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. So cheers!